opposites at the playground. Hi, little bunny. How many of your friends did you bring to play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, silly little mouse, are you okay? 10. The mouse goes up the stairs. The mouse comes down the steps. Near. Little mouse is now far. Oh, she comes back. Near. And far. Little bear, you are in the pan. Now you are out of the pan. In. Out. Sneaky raccoon, you are on the red ball. Now you are off the red ball. On. Off. Little bunny is standing up. Oof, little bunny has fallen down. I hope you're okay. The rabbit is over the purple step. The rabbit is under the purple step. Over. Under. Kitty, you are very clean. Oh my, you got very dirty at the park today. Clean. Dirty. Goodbye, friends. It was nice to play with you. 10. Oh, silly mouse. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. See you again soon.